Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So tonight we're going to have a stir fry. It is, I think, Tuesday before Thanksgiving. So we're going to use some of our pantry preps, some of the stuff we had in our haul, some leftover from the curry we made, some green onions I still have growing out in the yard. I went and picked some. So here's our green beans we got in the haul the other day. Here's the steak, and I cut it into thin strips and pieces to stretch it. We really don't need any leftovers today. Sorry, my husband. So I have some onion prepped to go with the green beans and the beef. I have some minced onions, some peas, and some carrots for the rice. And this is our leftover rice from the curry. I have an egg for our rice. So we're going to have fried rice, soy sauce for the rice, sesame oil for the rice. And then from the pantry, we're going to use this Cantonese hoisin garlic stir-fry sauce. And I'm just going to throw in the rest of this kalabi Korean marinade and call it done. So, let's get our skillets. Dry off my burner. Okay. So, everything turned on. Because stir fries go really fast. Okay, so we're going to add some oil to both of our pans. You want to make sure the bottom of your stir fry is covered. I'm going to start with the green beans. My husband likes them a little more done. And you might want some cornstarch and water if you need to thicken your sauce. So we'll see. I'm going to get my carrots going. For the, can you see both pans? The cooking videos don't seem to be very popular, so I don't know how many more I'll do. They're not getting any views, so it's not worth the effort. Get our carrots going. Got our green beans going. And how you cook them is up to you. If you like a crisp tender or you like them a little more well done, you can parboil them, which I probably should have done for my husband. He likes them mushy veggie. Oops, sorry. I should have minced up some garlic. We can use some garlic powder in the fried rice. Okay, I'm going to add my rice to the skillet. And you always want to use a cold leftover rice for fried rice. If you use a freshly made rice for fried rice, it'll be sticky and gloppy. Add our beef. Trying to make our meat last as much as possible. Going to add our onion. Add our onion there. Get this out the way. Going to add our sauce. See how fast it goes? I don't think we'll need that other sauce. Turn that down. And that's done. If you want it to have some spice, you can add some chili peppers, some sambal, some sriracha, whatever you have. And Tilly, hopefully you can hear me in this video. I don't know, I can hear when I play back the video on the last one, so I don't know. Get some garlic. add our peas. Add a little bit of sesame oil. Add our soy sauce. Gonna add our egg. It's not being a very non-stick pan right now. And you could whip that up in a bowl and throw it in there. I'm just trying not to dirty a bunch of dishes. And then we're just going to mix it all up. And dinner's ready. It took as long as you've watched this video. So, cut your meat up really small. It cooks really fast. There we have it. Dinner is ready. Turn everything off. My husband would probably like some pepper. I think I'll add a little bit of heat, but you don't have to. This is kind of sweet. Add some sambal. And that's it. Got my green onion over there. And there it is. Add some green onion. You're good. Let's see how it is. It's very hot. You can use soy sauce, a couple tablespoons of soy sauce, about a teaspoon of brown sugar, some sesame seeds, some sesame oil, some minced garlic, and minced onion and pepper, and make your sauce out of that and thicken it with some cornstarch and water. And you basically have the same thing. So, very yummy. So I just thought I'd share a really fast dinner with you from leftovers, garden trimmings, and pantry stuff. So anyways, you all take care, you stay safe, you stay healthy, and you stay warm, because I heard they're doing some rolling blackouts. So y'all take care. See you in the next video.